Have you ever wondered how websites are so much more than just static pages these days? How do they react to your clicks, show cool animations, or even let you play games? The answer is JavaScript. It's a programming language that brings interactivity and life to the web. Imagine a website without JavaScript. You would only see plain text and images. No drop-down menus, image carousels, or interactive maps. Pretty boring, right? JavaScript is the secret ingredient that makes websites dynamic and engaging. Learning a bit of JavaScript can open up a world of possibilities. You could start by adding simple interactions to your website or even build your own web applications. To understand JavaScript's role, let's meet the big three of web development: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Think of them as a team working together to create the websites we know and love. HTML is like the skeleton of a web page. It gives the page its basic structure, defining elements like headings, paragraphs, and images. CSS acts as the stylist, adding colors, fonts, and layouts to make the page visually appealing. But it's JavaScript that brings everything to life. It adds behavior and interactivity, allowing users to interact with the web page in exciting ways. JavaScript works its magic within your web browser, making websites interactive and dynamic. The software you use to surf the internet, known as a web browser, is where JavaScript comes to life. When you load a web page, your browser reads the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code, interpreting each to render the page. JavaScript code contains instructions that tell the browser what to do, from simple tasks to complex operations. These instructions might be as simple as changing the text on a button when clicked, making the page more interactive. Or they can be as complex as fetching data from a server to update the page dynamically, providing real-time information. The beauty of JavaScript is that it runs entirely within your browser, making it accessible and easy to use. This means you don't need any special software or installations to start experimenting with it, just your web browser. Just open up your browser's developer console, usually by pressing F12, and you're ready to dive into coding. With the console open, you can write and run your first lines of JavaScript code, seeing the results instantly. Section 4. JavaScript in action, from animations to apps. JavaScript's versatility is truly remarkable. It is a language that has evolved significantly over the years, becoming an essential tool for web developers. It powers a wide range of features and applications you encounter every day on the web. From simple tasks to complex functionalities, JavaScript is at the heart of it all. Here are just a few examples. Animations and visual effects. JavaScript brings websites to life with its ability to create dynamic and interactive elements. From subtle transitions to complex animations, JavaScript adds visual flair to websites, making them more engaging. Think about animated graphics, parallax scrolling effects, or interactive data visualizations. These elements not only enhance the user experience but also make the content more appealing and easier to understand. Dynamic content updates. JavaScript allows websites to update content without needing a full-page reload. This seamless experience is crucial for modern web applications. This is how you can see new posts on social media, get live sports scores, and stay updated with the latest information in real time, or interact with real-time chat applications. These features are made possible by JavaScript's ability to handle asynchronous operations efficiently. Web applications. Yes, those powerful web apps you use every day like Google Docs or online photo editors heavily rely on JavaScript. These applications offer functionalities that were once only possible with desktop software. It provides the logic and interactivity that make these applications possible. JavaScript continues to push the boundaries of what can be achieved on the web, making it an indispensable tool for developers. Section 5. Your journey into JavaScript, where to start. This is the beginning of an exciting adventure into the world of web development. Ready to embark on your JavaScript journey? It's a language that powers the dynamic behavior on most websites. Here are some beginner-friendly resources to get you started. These platforms offer structured learning paths and interactive challenges. FreeCodeCamp, a non-profit organization offering interactive coding challenges and projects to learn JavaScript and other web development skills. It's a great place to start for hands-on learning. Codecademy, an online platform with structured courses and exercises to teach you the fundamentals of JavaScript in a fun and engaging way. Their interactive approach makes learning enjoyable. Mozilla Developer Network, MDN, a comprehensive resource for web developers with detailed documentation and tutorials on JavaScript. It's an essential tool for deepening your understanding. Remember, learning to code takes time and practice. Consistency is key, and every bit of effort you put in will pay off. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and ask for help along the way. Collaboration and community support are invaluable. The world of web development awaits, and with JavaScript as your guide, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of learning and creating.